Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my cooking channel. Today we are gonna make amazing banana cornbread. So delicious and so easy to make. Just watch my hands, let's go. First of all, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For this bread you need very ripe, even overripe bananas. Sometimes it happens when we forget about their existence somewhere in the kitchen. Mash it with the potato masher or using a fork or a blender. You also need oats. Grind them using a blender. Not into powder, but finally enough. Add it to bananas. Of course, cornmeal. It won't be cornbread without cornmeal. A little bit of cornstarch, maple syrup. You may add honey or other syrup, but I love maple one. I'm Canadian or what? Plain yogurt or buttermilk or just water with lemon juice for vegan cornbread, for example. A little bit of sea salt, baking soda and baking powder. Do not sprinkle baking soda and powder directly on the yogurt. Let them react when mixed, not before. Mix it all with a spatula, just until all combined. Grease a baking dish with butter or oil. I use coconut oil, by the way. Pour in the mixture into the baking dish and smooth the top a little bit. Add some pumpkin seeds on top or other seeds or nuts. Finally, put it in the oven and bake the cornbread for about 30 minutes. Let the bread rest for 5 minutes. You can serve it directly in the baking dish or take it out, flipping the baking dish upside down. Do not let cool completely. Warm cornbread is the best. Add ice cream, whipped cream, butter, or just pour maple syrup or honey on top. Ooh la la. It's so good, so delicious. Wonderful coarse texture, cornbread flavor. And of course, bananas with a hint of maple syrup. Actually, whole our house smells like bananas with maple syrup right now. And it's so good. And you know what? You need it right now. Alexi, are you ready to prove it?
Always ready. Toujours prêt, as they say it in French. Oh, I like the way it smells. It's like bananas and the maple syrup. Oh, that's so good. When I was a kid, we had these dried bananas, so it reminds me of that. This is so good. It's like 2 in 1. I feel banana bread and cornbread. Oh God, this is amazing. I like the way it's moist. It's very moist, very good. I need another one, and everyone who watches this video, they need to go and get themselves a piece of this as well. Right away.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.